When you're running MIG on aluminum, what matters more to you, travel speed or puddle control? Watch this fillet joint and decide. We're welding aluminum with MIG using pure argon and a solid wire. Thin material, high conductivity, so heat management is everything. No dragging here. Pushing gives you a cleaner bead and better gas coverage. If your travel speed drops, the metal collapses. If it's too fast, the bead sits on top. Balance is the key. Now watch the puddle. It's bright, fluid, and unforgiving. This is where beginners struggle. The fillet wants to sag if you linger even for half a second. But once you match heat, speed, and angle, aluminum starts cooperating. Drop your answer in the comments. I read every one. And if you want more real welding tips, real arcs, and real techniques, hit follow. I post fresh content daily.
Тут же